Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Vivo T1x. So if in this device you want to learn about the keyboard settings, or if you want to change the keyboard settings of the device, you can easily do this by the way as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now to learn keyboard settings, just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will know all about it. Let's watch the video.